back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the REST parameters. REST parameters make it easy to work with an unknown or variable number of arguments in a function. Sometimes if we have to write a method called addition, we want the invoker, the caller, to be able to invoke this function and pass arguments as individual parameters. But we don't know how many parameters the caller might pass. It could be 1, 2, 10, 100, we never know. They might pass anything that they want. So traditionally in JavaScript, we can achieve this by implicit argument object. The argument will hold all of the parameter passed to a function in an array-like structure, but it is really not an array. It looks like an array. However, one of the problem with argument is it looks like an array. Like I said, it is really not an array. It is just an object that has some of the qualities of an array. So argument did help to achieve this. However, we have a better thing in ES6. That is what we are going to demo now. So if I invoke the addition method by passing 1 to 3, you got the result as 6. Now we can achieve the same thing by using the parameter called REST parameter. The REST parameter starts with ... Here in this case, we have a ... number for a function called sum. So instead of navigating through the arguments, I can loop through the numbers and I can call that and see how this looks. The result is still same, but we were able to achieve this. Now let's refactor this to use a for each. So I'm going to go through each item of this numbers array and then add those result into the result object. So this is also going to return the same value, which is 6 if you copy paste. So now along with that, let's say I'm adding another parameter called name. Okay, and then the REST parameter will always go to the end of the parameters because it is going to collect all the parameters that is passed and it is going to put it into an array. So here in this case, I'm passing a string followed by a couple of numbers. So numbers from 1 until the end, it is going to add everything and it is going to be returned in the number array. So let's take a look. We're going to return the name as well as the result, which is an array. So here it should display the name that you sent and the value which was summed up. Alright, so what happens if you remove everything and if you don't send anything to this number? You might guess it might do an error because numbers could be an undefined, but it's not the case. This is the beauty of the rest of parameters. So when you don't send anything, the property is initialized with a default empty thing, which means in this case, the array doesn't have anything. So it just initialized. That's why when you navigate through for each, it did not give you any error. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and never forget to click on the bell icon.